Hello and welcome to the channel. I just got something in the mail. So let's see what we got from AliExpress. So I ordered a couple of minis. Some nanos actually, you would say. The weather outside's pretty cold. So I ordered some little ones. Ooh, I got a gift. With this one. That's cool. Here's one piece of plastic. Let's see. I got a giftie. Yeah. One of them landing pads. Not too bad. Huh. Came with it. Paid like $24, $25 for these minis. Oh, they gave me two gifts. I got more than one. Gave me a keychain light. This is another gift. Wow, that's cool. Keychain light, huh? Wow, it's bright. Oh wow. Anyway, look at these little things later. Supposed to be about the drone I bought. That was cute to see that I got a couple of gifts. Put that down there. Let's get to what I actually bought. Hopefully it isn't broken because all they did was bubble wrap a case. So we can only hope for the best. I'm not shipping this back. Alright, the big reveal. Here she is. Okay, the nanos. Okay. So, I haven't looked at nothing. You've seen it as fast as I have. So, that's going to be the remote with the nano inside. Now, they gave us the same old package, a couple of blades, the charger, a screwdriver, and your two thumbs. That's about it. So we're going to need that anyway. So we're going to have to open up this anyway. And you got, yeah, your guards. I mean, that's there. But let's get your two pieces for your sticks, okay? Yeah. And then we're going to stick right on there. A little tough getting in there. So you can cut them straight. Just hope for the best, I guess. Look at this one. They don't screw in. Alright, let's do the opening. It says pull this to open. Oh, springy. I was supposed to open it. Alright, I got that. Wow. I'll do it left-handed. I tried right-handed, couldn't do it. Look at this thing. This thing is tiny. Anyway, this is what the inside of the box looks like. Guess you could put your phone there. Maybe. Can you? I don't think so. But it's cool. I think you hold your quad in there. Have to look at the directions. Not sure yet. I got these because they're foldables. I don't have any Nano Foldables. So, you see what the controller looks like. Look at this thing. This thing is the bomb. Look how little it is. Little tiny thing. That is awesome. I can't wait to fly it. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Battery in the back. Let's pull that. I don't think they're going to give us any readings on it. But yeah, that's looking cool. And they just call this the drone. Pretty little lights. Let's see. I forget what the name of these things are. Let's see if they give us a name on here. That's what they call it. You know, trying to read this stuff's unbelievable. Let me shut this off. There we go. That is looking cool looking though. Let me check this out and see if there's so far I see room. That's all, that's the name of it. A foldable drone. I'll have to do some research on this. Okay, I'm back. Now, I went and got my packaging, and when I checked my packaging, it says the new S128 Mini Drone 4K Professional camera. Obstacle avoidance, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, that's what it was, an S128. I didn't think it was just called a foldable drone. That's a general consensus. But anyway, hey, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you have some time. Don't forget, give me a like if you enjoy the video. And come back to watch the test flight indoors. And thanks again.